Hi, my name is Elaine Villasper. I'm 30 years old. I was born in Manila, Philippines, and I currently live in Daly City, California.
What was it like in the Philippines growing up there?
Uh, I grew up in Manila, and it was okay. It was good. I think I grew up in a family um, that was kind of middle class, maybe like lower middle class. We had a home, but we shared the home with a lot of family members and cousins. We lived in an urban area. We got to go to school, and my parents worked really hard so we could go to public school. And so I wouldn't say that life was very hard, but it definitely wasn't. We weren't rich, so it wasn't very easy. But we had a good life. We were relatively happy.
What was education like over there?
I went to a private Catholic school, so it was really conservative. Um, we had to wear skirts that went down past our legs, and very strict about the dress code. Very strict about the how we had our hair and stuff. They had a lot of rules around how to treat the administration, the nuns. It was a Catholic school, so our school was run by a lot of nuns, and so we had to be very respectful and listen to our teachers. During the time that I was growing up and going to school, it was still customary to get hit by your teachers if you did something bad. So I would get my hand slapped with a ruler if I did something bad. Um, the actual education and the schooling was really rigorous and very advanced, actually. We studied really hard, and they taught us a lot of advanced things. A lot of the things I actually learned in the Philippines, like for, let's say, first, second, and third grade. When I came to the U.S., I realized that the fourth, fifth, and sixth graders, my classmates, were learning things that I had already learned in the Philippines. So I didn't realize that we were a bit more advanced in what we were learning there. And so culturally, it was kind of really conservative because of the Catholic private school. But education-wise, it was advanced in like the science and the math department. We didn't really learn a lot of history yet at the age of I left when I was 9 years old, so I went to school up until 9 only.